ABC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
By now, you don't need a meteorologist to tell you it is very hot outside here across Acadiana and much of the Gulf South. We are dealing with the heat wave making its way in across the area, and that is going to continue for our Sunday and even into the first half of the upcoming work week. But we do have some very slight changes that'll be moving into the forecast in the coming days. So let's take a look at the big picture. We're going to go into the water vapor and in the upper levels. That's where we find what is creating this heat wave. It's this big area of ridge of high pressure that's developing over Texas. You can see creating that upflow and then bringing this very sharp downflow over the Midwest and into the eastern portion of the country. This is what fueled all those thunderstorms that produced the very nasty weather the past couple of days back through Iowa and then down into Missouri and Kentucky yesterday, and also did produce some very strong storms down towards the lower portions of Georgia and Alabama a little earlier this morning. But that is all moving off to the east, producing all the energy with it. We're still under the confines of this high pressure, bringing us that very hot and humid conditions, but it did bring us a little bit of some cloud cover to begin the day, and we can see those clouds were showing up on the satellite to start off, but most of it is beginning to burn off except for some upper level stratus clouds that continue to move in. Very much a hazy sunshine we've been dealing with throughout much of the afternoon, but even with that hazy sunshine, temperatures have been still very warm. Heat advisory continues for another couple hours till 8 p.m. and then we're going to do it all over again tomorrow with a heat advisory from noon until 8 p.m. That's when we're expecting those triple-digit heat indices with some getting as high as 110. But right now, we're sitting at 94 in Lafayette. We got lower 90s for the rest of Acadiana as it's 92 in Jennings and 91 in New Iberia. Warmer up to the north where they've seen more sunshine today, 96 for Alexandria, but look at that, 101 for Natchitoches. Monroe got up to around 101, and Shreveport, same thing. So some of the hottest temperatures we've seen across the northern portion of the state in more than 3 years. If you step outside, it feels more like 105 right now in Lafayette, low to mid triple digits for just about everyone here in Acadiana. And even if we zoom out a little bit farther, we can see that it feels a lot like the big triple digits through a good portion of not only Louisiana, but over into Mississippi and Alabama, where Mobile sitting at 114 for a heat index, all the way up to Little Rock, they're at 105, and over the Oklahoma City. And you can see all this off to our west. That'll continue to be heading our way in the coming days, so we're going to be dealing with the extreme heat and humidity for another couple days before some changes start to return. So for the rest of our evening, not a whole lot going on. Clear skies, waking up to that sunshine tomorrow, and we're going to have, I think, a fair amount of sunshine. So unlike the clouds we saw this morning, I think it's just a full day of sunshine, maybe some upper level clouds for our Sunday, and that means temperatures getting really hot. 97, feeling like 108 during the afternoon. It's going to be probably our hottest day of the year so far. Some clouds building in late Sunday, and that's how we're going to start off Monday as a weak cool front tries to head our way. This is not going to bring any cooler temperatures, but what it could do is maybe spark off a stray shower or two by late Monday into the afternoon, but it is going to keep the clouds around, and that'll keep temperatures in the low to mid 90s as we head into our Monday, and eventually we'll bring in some drier air on the backside of that. So another sticky night, very little relief from the heat even as we push into the overnight hours. 80 for the overnight low with a little bit of a breeze out of the west-southwest 5 to 10. For our Sunday, the heat wave just continues with that heat advisory, 97 for the high, but we will have winds picking up, so that will be something you notice tomorrow afternoon, anywhere from 10 to 18 during the day out of the west-southwest. But the big story continues to be what it feels like outside, and it's all about those heat indices. As you can see, already by 9 a.m. we're pushing the triple digits, and then we'll be into the 100s for most of the afternoon, topping out as high as 109 to 110 tomorrow afternoon. So make sure you're drinking that water and taking it easy and trying to get some of those outdoor activities done a little earlier in the day, or just trying to cool off by finding the pool and staying in there and trying to avoid the extreme heat of the day. And you're going to have to continue to do that as you see mid-90s extend all the way into Wednesday. Some lower rain chances, but for the most part, we're going to stay dry through a good portion of the next 5 days. It won't be until the end of next week and into the following weekend that we finally start to see some rain chances returning to the area, but even then very on the low side, maybe up to about 40% by next Monday and Tuesday.